Hello everyone, welcome back to all of you in Maths Academy. In today's video, we will learn about variable, constant, coefficient, terms and then algebraic expression. So let's start our video. Definition of variable is a letter that represents an unknown number. Variable will always be a letter, means to say any alphabet A, B, C, D to X, Y, Z. You can say any alphabet is variable. Variable is a word which is taken from vary. Vary means change it, means to say you can change its value. You can see in front of you there is a picture. In this one picture there is an expression 1 plus x is equal to 3. In this one expression x is a variable, you can change its value, so x is a variable in this one equation. Our next definition is of constant. Constant is the term that is made up of any number. Another definition of constant is इट इज़ आ नंबर एक्सेप्ट वेरिएबल, मतलब कि कांस्टेंट टर्म वो टर्म होगी जिसके साथ कोई वेरिएबल नहीं होगा. एनी नंबर from counting you can say is constant because you cannot change the value of any constant. In your examples of constant term you can see in first one algebraic expression, the complete expression is written with black pointer, but only constant is written with red pointer na. So in first one algebraic expression 2 is constant because with 2 there is no variable, and in second one algebraic expression 10 is constant because with 10 there is no variable. Variable means alphabet, there is no alphabet, so except alphabet any digit will be constant. Our next definition is definition of coefficient. Coefficient is a number sometimes represented by a letter used in multiplying a variable expression. मतलब ये है कि किसी भी algebraic expression में जब variable से पहले जो भी डिजिट आता है या जो भी अल्फ़ाबेट आता है वो आपका कोफिशिएंट होता है. मतलब कि वेरिएबल के साथ जिस भी डिजिट को या जिस भी अल्फ़ाबेट को आप मल्टीप्लाई करवाएंगे वो आपका कोफिशिएंट होगा. ठीक है. इन योर एग्जांपल यू कैन सी रेड highlighted with red digits and alphabets are called the coefficients of any algebraic expression. Let's move toward an example. You can see in front of you there is a picture. In that one picture algebraic expression is written 5x plus 7 is equal to 12. In this one algebraic expression there is only one variable. Variable means you can change the value of that term. ओके. एंड द नंबर डैट कम्स बिफोर वेरिएबल, जो वेरिएबल से पहले नंबर आता है और वो वेरिएबल के साथ होता है, मतलब कि मल्टीपल होता है वेरिएबल का, आप मल्टीप्लाई करवाते हो उस नंबर को वेरिएबल के साथ, तो जो वो वाला नंबर होता है वो आपका कोफिशिएंट कहलाता है. एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज डैट operator. Operator means mathematical operation. There are 4 mathematical operations, you know very well: plus, minus, multiply and divide. In this one algebraic expression 7 and 12 are our constants. Why? Because with 7 and 12 there is no variable. These two digits are except variables. ठीक है. तो easy और क्विक डेफिनेशन ये होगी जो आपने अपने माइंड में रखनी है कि जो भी आपके पास अल्फ़ाबेट आएगा वो आपका क्या होगा, वेरिएबल होगा. ठीक है. और वेरिएबल से पहले जो भी नंबर आएगा चाहे वो वेरिएबल है या कोई और अल्फ़ाबेट है वो आपका कोफिशिएंट होगा, और जो नंबर वेरिएबल के बगैर है मतलब कि अकेला डिजिट है वो आपका कांस्टेंट होगा. It's your task time. In front of you there is an algebraic expression 2x plus 5y plus 7 is equal to 8. Take 20 seconds and tell me in comment section that which one is variable and which one is coefficient and constant in this one algebraic expression. Your time is going to be start right now. Next, our definition of term is an algebraic term is either a numeral, a variable, and product of them. Numeral means it can be any number, it can be any number, it can be any variable, or product of them. For example, we can say 2 is our term. It is a numeral term. Y is our term, that is a variable term. And if we write 2y, then it will be the product of variable and constant. Example of terms: 5x plus 3 plus 8y. 5x is itself a term, 3 is itself a term, 8y is itself a term. 5x is the product of a number is 5, and variable is x, means to say it is the product of number and variable. 3 is a constant, a numeral value, so it is also a term. 8y is also a term. So in this one algebraic expression there are three terms, and we have connected these three terms with the help of positive mathematical operation. Hope so the concept of variable, coefficient and constant term is clear. Let's move toward the definition of algebraic expression. An algebraic expression consists of a single term and terms connected by operations of addition and subtraction. Example of algebraic expression is, you can see in front of there is a picture, 12x minus 3 is equal to 4. This is called an algebraic expression because in this one picture we have connected three terms with the help of mathematical operations. 12x is our term, and in this one term x is variable, 12 is coefficient, and we have connected 12x with 3 with the help of negative sign, and 3 is a constant because there is no variable with 3, and 4 is also a constant. So when we connect terms with the help of mathematical operator, then we say that this is an algebraic expression. अब आपने क्या करना है, कोई भी एक algebraic expression कमेंट सेक्शन में आपने राइट करना है, एंड आफ्टर डैट आपने ये बताना है कि उस algebraic expression में टर्म कौन सी है, वेरिएबल कौन सा है, कोफिशिएंट कौन सा है और कांस्टेंट कौन सा है. ये सब चीज़ें आपने मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बतानी हैं. After that, I will tell you it's correct or not. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Allah Hafiz.